In this video, you'll learn how to acquire British accents using ElevenLabs. By following these steps, you will be able to generate speech in a British accent for your projects or personal use. Begin by logging into your ElevenLabs account, visit the ElevenLabs website and enter your credentials. Once logged in, you should see the main dashboard of the application, which will serve as your starting point for accessing the voice features. Next, locate and click on the Voices option in the menu. This will direct you to a page where various voice options are available. Here, you can explore different accents and character voices that ElevenLabs offers. After that, find the section labeled Weekly Spotlight Character Voices. Clicking on this will display a curated selection of character voices. This section often features unique and varied accents, including British options, making it easier to find what you need. Once this appears, look specifically for the British accents option. You may need to scroll through the available voices. When you locate the British voice, click on it to select it. This action will highlight the voice and prepare it for the next steps. Following this, click on the Add to My Voices button. This will save the selected British accent to your personal library within ElevenLabs. A confirmation message should appear indicating that the voice has been successfully added. Now, navigate to the text-to-speech section of the application. This is where you will input text that you want to be converted into speech using the selected accent. Clicking this option will lead you to the interface for generating spoken text. Next, click on Model and choose the multilingual option. This selection ensures that the system is set up to handle various languages and accents, including the British accent you have just added. After that, click on Voice to access your saved voices. This will display a list of all the voices you have added, including the British accent. It is important to ensure that your desired voice is visible in this list before proceeding. Then, click on All Saved Voices to view every voice you have stored in your library. This allows you easily find and select the British voice for your text-to-speech project. Next, click on the specific voice you saved earlier. This action will prepare the system to generate audio using that British accent. Make sure that the correct voice is highlighted as you proceed to the final step. Finally, you can now generate text into a British accent voice. Type or paste your desired text into the input field and initiate the speech generation process. The generated audio will reflect the British accent, providing you with the output you need for your project.